So we're gonna be glazing some windows. We're gonna be installing the glass, sealing and weatherproofing the glass installation for a simulated divided light installation. To get a really good miter, you want your smallest bar to fit perfect without any crushing or anything like that of the tip. You get that, then you know you're right in the corner where you need to be. So what I do is I cut it long, and then when I come to the chop saw, if I put the blade all the way down, push it up against the blade without hitting the teeth, when I bring it up, I know I'll cut about a 30-second off. So now we're going to space the window, making sure that our spacer bars for our simulated divided light or mutton bars are going to line up the same on every window. I'm going to start by laying a bead of caulk on the interior of the sash. What I'm trying to do is seal it, leaving a little bit of squeeze out on the glass to make sure that it is sealed properly. I'm just going to make sure that, looking down, that I've got a good coverage and that I know I'm going to get squeeze out on every part of the glass. Some pressure on the glass to get full squeeze out on the rabbet to the glass. And then I'll just take a look and make sure I've got squeeze out. And what I mean by squeeze out, I don't know if you can get this, but the squeeze out is the caulk that comes out from the glass rabbet to the glass, which lets me know that I have a seal around the whole entire window. And now it's time to seal in the exterior, and for this I'm going to switch to a exterior silicone, a lot more water resistant, a lot more weatherproof. So the first thing I'll do is I'll go around the window and I will fill in this gap that is all around the exterior between the rabbet and the glass. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put down another bead that is going to dry in the stop, the applied stop to the glass, once again using having squeeze out all the way down the stop. Okay, now I'm just going to check and just make sure I've got enough silicone down that everything is going to be sealed in and weather protected. I like to put the stops in and give it a real hard squeeze. Make sure I get squeeze out coming all the way out of the stop onto the glass. So now I know that I am completely sealed in on the exterior. I like to put the small stop in first because the big stop, the longer stop, you can always flex. So you can cut it a little bit long and you can always flex it in, giving you a nice tight miter. And the last part is to nail in your applied stop. And that is a glazed sash.